today's the day for the new look and reveal of the Camaro. We're going to take a trip down to a buddy of mine that I grew up with. We've been friends ever since we were like 2 years old. But a good friend of mine, we're going to go down to his place. We're going to put some new wheels on this thing, some new tires, a set of Nito tires. We're going to go with the SS rims from a 99. I believe it's a 99
but
SS.
He's got two Camaros.
Yeah, he's got the 25th anniversary and the 30th anniversary Camaro, and we're gonna stop at it over here at O'Reilly or Advance and pick up a set of shocks. We've got a set of plugs in the back, so we're gonna get this thing running a little better. We're gonna get the suspension upgrades, and then we're gonna start working on the front end.
But yeah, guys, like I said, remember last video I said I was gonna get like the kit? Well, that's coming soon. That's coming really, really soon. And then I have a shifter, but I've got to get an adapter for it. So if y'all know where I can get it from, y'all hit me up, please. And then we can put it on and stuff, and sponsor y'all, give y'all a shout out or something. But those are the seat covers I will be getting. Actually, we're gonna go to the seat. But alright, guys, so we are always coming in for surprises, but we got the shocks and then the seat covers. Check it out. Alrighty, guys, so we are walking out with some seat covers. We're walking out with some brand new shocks to put on the car. Pop trunk, okay. Okay, guys, hold on. Set you down for a second. Trunk's popped. GoPro's up. I'm gonna throw all this stuff in the trunk real quick. Also, look what he did for me last week, and he surprised me and put the amp, mounted it. It's pretty cool. It's not in anybody's place, but yeah, we gotta get on the roll. Let's go. other half, but it's Beagle and something else. And let's go. We're gonna go look at his car and truck. He actually has 3 cars.
Seriously. Hey, those are tiny as brakes.
got the wheels changed out. We took the Z06 wheels off of this SS and we put them on Jonathan's car. We did a swap, and let's check out what it looks like. Come on.
So here are the old rims of mine that are now on, and I took his rims. Still trading some extra money, but guys, it kills it. This car pops out with these rims. It's got a set of Nitos on it, but it looks good. It popped out this car. So
we're gonna replace these yellow lug nuts. We're gonna stop on the way home and get us a set of chrome ones.
yep, and change them.
Okay guys, so we made it back to our hometown, and the Camaro decided that the alternator wanted to go down on us. So we made it back to our hometown, came to O'Reilly's, and we're picking up an alternator now. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna try to slap this thing on if we got enough time, and if not, then I may just have a mechanic put it on probably Monday. So we're gonna get this alternator and we're gonna get it home and see what we can do.